In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize captions in Adobe Premiere Pro with Essential Graphics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to import your video, add a captions track, and style your captions so they're clear, consistent, and easy to read. Start by importing your video into your project and bringing it onto a timeline. Then add a captions track by going to the window menu and choosing Captions and Subtitles. This opens the Captions workspace so you can create or place your caption clip on the timeline. If you already have a captions file, drop it in. If not, create a captions item so you have something to format. Next, click to select the caption clip in your timeline. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This is important because Premiere needs to know which text you want to style. With the caption clip selected, go back to the window menu and open Essential Graphics. This panel is where all your text styling lives. In the Essential Graphics panel, switch to the Edit tab, click inside your caption text in the program monitor, or use the text field in the panel to highlight the words you want to adjust. Highlighting ensures the changes you make apply directly to that caption. Under text properties, start with font family, pick any installed font on your system. For captions, choose something clean and legible. Sans serif fonts often read well on a variety of screens. Then adjust size to scale your caption. Use a size that's comfortable from a normal viewing distance, leaving safe margins so the text doesn't hug the edges. If you're unsure, increase gradually and scrub through a few shots to check consistency. Style lets you toggle bold, italic, or underline. Bold can help with visibility, italic is useful for off-screen audio or emphasis, and underline should be used sparingly to avoid clutter. Finally, set the color for your text. Aim for strong contrast with your footage so the captions remain readable. If your scene is bright, a darker color can help. If it's dark, a lighter color stands out. Consistency across your project will keep things professional. As you make these choices, preview your timeline. The captions will update live with your chosen font, size, style, and color. Play a few different shots to confirm the text remains readable over changing backgrounds and motion. That's it.